Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and this is our new video here, and I'm gonna talk about top 5 programming as well as scripting language that you should learn to set up your career in software development. Yes guys, today I'm gonna show you top 5 programming as well as scripting language. If you want to be a programmer, a very good programmer, then you should have little much knowledge or advanced knowledge on programming. So this video will help you to choose you the right programming language, as well as if you are interested in website development, so you can choose your best programming as well as scripting language to set up your career as software development. So let's begin. 5 is PHP. Yes guys, PHP is very popular general purpose scripting language. Yes, you listen right, it is very popular general purpose scripting language. That means you can develop advanced kinds of website using PHP, and this is very powerful, flexible, fast, and provides you everything to make your first blog. So here are some of the list of very popular website developed in PHP, and they are Facebook, I know all of you may use it, Wikipedia, Yahoo, Flickr, Tumblr, Friendstar, iSoftPhoto, Sourceforge.net, and many more. So if you want to set up your career in website development, wanna be a blogger and set up a website making company for you, then you PHP is best. It contains built-in database. You no need to run SQL or any other database software. So let's go to number 4. Number 4, I have kept C++. Yes, C++ is very popular programming language which was released in late 80s, but it is still very popular. It is very fast and it is very powerful. I think you will be very much shocked if you listen Windows 10, Ubuntu and Windows XP was made in C++. Yes guys, these popular operating system softwares were made in C++, and you might be shocked by listening this. The popular game PUBG, PlayerUnknown's Battleground, is also made in C++, and you can simply learn C++ using YouTube tutorials and so on. C++ is very good programming language. It is powerful, and some of the best IDEs you can use is DEV++, Turbo C++, etc. It is very advanced level of programming, and it is also object oriented programming. More than softwares, you can go in game development using C++. In number 3, I have kept Java. Yes guys, Java is very popular programming language which are developed by James Gosling by Sun Microsystems. It is very popular and high level of general purpose programming language which uses best algorithms to make your software smooth running and well. Here are some of the best application made using Java is Gmail. Yes guys, Gmail is made on Java, so you can choose Java to be a great programmer, as well as the Android. Most of the Android apps are made using Java, and Android Studio also supports Java as well as C++. If you want to be a great programmer, then Java is perfect for you. In number 2, I have kept JavaScript. JavaScript is basically very popular website designing hypertext hypertext markup language, and it is used to make dynamic web pages as well as static web pages. You can develop your own very great website using JavaScript, and it is also used to develop some of the applications also. And in JavaScript you will find many more built-in libraries with first class codes, and it is forgiving language, and it means if you are learning and if you are a beginner and if you don't know more about syntax, then it will forgive you for syntax error. And it is interpreted language, or you can say precompiled language, in which you can get very fast result and output. So JavaScript is very best for beginners as well as advanced level of programming. And here's some of the very popular websites developed in JavaScript are Carbon Studio. and you can simply create dynamic as well as static web pages with outstanding websites using JavaScript. In number one, I have kept Python. Python is interpreted language. It is general purpose language and high level language. It is very easy to learn. It is interpreter, so you can learn it line by line. You can know real meaning of programming if you learn Python. And Python is fifth generation programming languages which supports artificial intelligence. Yes guys, most of the artificial intelligence projects are done in Python. If you want to secure your career in artificial intelligence, data science, data structures and machine learning, then Python is best for you. And through Python you can develop mobile applications, you can develop games, you can develop web applications, you can simply develop artificial intelligence, you can develop your assistants. And do you know here are some of the IDEs of Python, and they are, you can simply code Python in its official IDE. You can search download Python in your browser and you will get a best IDE for it. Or some of other options can be, you can use Visual Studio from Microsoft and PyCharm from NetBeans. Python is very good language. I recommend you to learn Python in 2019. Python has a brilliant future.